With SwitchboardFREE's multiple department system, callers to your chosen number are offered a range of options that you can configure, ensuring that they are directed to the most suitable individual or department. Each department is completely customizable and so can be configured for any specification or requirement. This feature is free of charge and can be done easily and by yourself. As an example, when a caller calls your SwitchboardFREE number, they will be greeted with a message similar to this.
Please press 1 for accounts, press 2 for sales, and press 3 for support.
In this example, 3 departments have been configured for this number, but you may have up to 9 should you require them. To begin this process, first log into your account via the SwitchboardFREE website and then head over to the My Numbers section. Here, all of your inbound numbers are stored. Next, choose the number for which you wish to configure the multiple departments and then press Settings. You will be given the option to configure this number as a single department, which is the default setting, or as multiple departments. Once multiple departments has been selected, you will be greeted with a keypad displaying 9 departments available for customization. Select the department you wish to customize and make sure to enable it with the switch below. Now you're ready to begin. At the top of the page, you will see Global Department Settings. These settings are used to change what the caller hears when they call your SwitchboardFREE number before selecting a department. At the top, you will see WhatsApp Business Number. This is a new feature that allows you to link your SwitchboardFREE number to your WhatsApp business account. Main number description is used to give a short nickname or description for your number in order to help identify it quickly and distinguish it from your other numbers. Main introduction and system voice are used to customize the greeting your callers receive when they call your SwitchboardFREE number and the voice they will hear it in. Standard and premium prompts are available, as well as the option to record your own custom prompts. As an example, you may select,
"Good evening and thank you for calling."
To record custom prompts, download the SwitchboardFREE admin app available on both iOS and Android. And finally, global missed call email alerts will send an email to the given email address or addresses notifying you of any missed calls. This service can be switched on or off at your discretion. We're now onto the individual department settings. These settings will only affect the department you have selected on the keypad, in our case, Department 1. As before, department description and introduction allows you to name your department and customize the greeting your caller will receive upon selecting this department, with the same standard, premium and custom prompts available. Next, you can select your open and close times to fit your business hours. You can choose from the 3 preset options or create bespoke opening hours for each day of the week. Department title is used to specify what the caller will hear when they are provided with the department choices. For example,
For general inquiries.
Redirect Numbers allows you to redirect calls from your SwitchboardFREE number to another existing UK landline, mobile phone or SwitchboardFREE soft phone. The right-hand panel shows to which number your call will be redirected to and for how long. You can choose this number from any pre-existing users or teams on your SwitchboardFREE account, and you may have up to 5 redirect numbers. You can also customize the sequence in which your calls are redirected. Selecting in order means the call is redirected to the number at the top of your list first and then works its way down in order if the previous caller is unavailable. This option is ideal if you wish to prioritize a particular individual receiving a call. The other option is Distribute Evenly. Say we have 2 people answering calls. With Distribute Evenly, the first call would go to the first person and the second call would go to the second person, assuming their line is free. This is ideal for salespeople who want to share inbound sales calls equally. Finally, you can also customize where your calls are redirected at different times of the day using time of day redirects. However, please note that any time of day redirects input here are only effective during your opening times. Live Agent Call Answering is a service we provide via our partner company, Pocket Receptionist, who can answer calls live for you. We also offer a light pay-as-you-go service, which you can turn on and off as you need. No subscription or long-term commitments required. Call recording is used to provide you with accurate recordings of all your calls. Please note, however, that this is a premium feature, which you will need to activate separately under the main number configuration page. Call screening, also known as a whisper, provides you with a short message when answering the phone to notify you of the type of call you are receiving. This feature will allow you to answer each call appropriately and is ideal for someone with multiple business numbers linked to their SwitchboardFREE account. Music on hold allows you to choose the type of music your callers will hear when they are holding in a queue. We offer a great selection of on-hold music via our platform to enhance your audio branding and entertain your callers while they wait. Seasonal options such as Christmas music are available, as well as the charts that are updated weekly. Again, missed call email alerts will send an email to the addresses given notifying you of a missed call. Enabling the voicemail feature will give a caller on hold in a queue the option to leave a voicemail after a designated period of time. You can choose your preferred period of time your callers must hold before being given the voicemail option, and also the email address to which the voicemail is sent. To add more than one email address, simply separate the respective addresses with a semicolon in the box provided. Out of hours message is used to customize what the callers will hear if they call your SwitchboardFREE number outside business hours. You may choose from pre-recorded options or record your own custom message, again using the SwitchboardFREE app. Number presentation is used to change the number being displayed when a call is redirected to you. You can select between the caller's number or the original SwitchboardFREE number that the caller initially rang. When enabled, Announce Position will let callers know their position in the queue and will keep them updated should their position change. And finally, Callback SMS is used to send your caller an SMS message if you're unable to answer your phone. You can write your desired message in the box given, and this feature may be enabled or disabled at any time. Once you have finished making all your changes, remember to press Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now, you may select the second department using the keypad and configure it as you please in the exact same way. This entire process and all edits may also be done via the SwitchboardFREE admin app. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to be alerted of our future videos.